The dispute emerges from allegations surrounding Ms. Cameron's honesty regarding her child's paternity, with Ms. Melvin asserting that these claims are disingenuous and aimed at securing unfair advantages. This prevailing distrust serves to exacerbate an already fraught emotional context. The emotional toll on Ms. Melvin's family is profound as they grapple with their loss while simultaneously confronting allegations leveled against Ms. Cameron. Notably, her mother experiences significant distress and finds herself unable to attend court, further highlighting the strain that this situation imposes. In contrast, Ms. Cameron illustrates her profound bond with her deceased partner, articulating the dreams they shared for a family and the sorrow stemming from his untimely death. Their relationship, which began with fervor, ended in tragedy before they could fully embark on their aspirations for family life. Conversely, Ms. Melvin raises doubts regarding the paternity of Malachi, pointing to inconsistencies in timelines and the claims made by Ms. Cameron regarding her brother's involvement. These concerns prompt an examination of the reliability of Ms. Cameron's assertions, complicating the narrative further. The emotional ramifications of potential infidelity come to the forefront as Ms. Melvin reflects on her brother's initial enthusiasm about the pregnancy, which starkly contrasts with the prevailing doubts. Such conflicting emotions serve to complicate familial relationships, revealing deeper fissures beneath the surface. During courtroom proceedings, testimony unfolds from family members who express suspicions about infidelity, with reports indicating that the mother was allegedly seen with another man shortly before her pregnancy. This lends considerable weight to the doubts surrounding the baby's paternity. April Webb, a longtime friend of Ms. Cameron, shares insights into a date involving Cameron, which had been misinterpreted as an act of infidelity. This narrative underscores the complexities inherent in personal relationships and the delicate nature of trust within them. The court proceedings emphasize the critical need to ascertain paternity, particularly regarding the implications for child benefits and the emotional stakes tied to the outcomes. The repercussions for all parties involved are significant and far-reaching. Moreover, the testimony highlights the consequences that arise from interpersonal relationships, illustrating how misunderstandings can escalate into legal disputes. This underscores the necessity for clear communication and reliable evidence, particularly in sensitive family law cases. The initial announcement of the pregnancy triggers a wave of denial from the partner, which raises fundamental questions about trust and accountability in their relationship, thereby laying the groundwork for intensified conflict. Discussions surrounding emotional connections during childbirth reveal how such bonds can sustain beliefs about paternity, despite earlier doubts. The powerful feelings experienced at birth often complicate one's understanding of biological affiliations. The legal implications of a signed birth certificate come into focus, illustrating how it shapes notions of paternity and parental responsibilities. The confusion experienced by the individual over the significance of his signature underscores the complexities involved. Mr. Cooper asserts that he believes himself to be Samara's biological father, citing perceived physical resemblances and a strong emotional connection with the child, notwithstanding the limited time they have spent together. Mr. Jacobs, the individual listed on the birth certificate, proclaims himself as the father and offers child support, which complicates the existing paternity dispute further and adds to the overall complexity of the case. Adding to the uncertainty, the biological mother, Miss Carl, has not provided a definitive statement regarding the identity of the father, resulting in confusion and conflicting assertions from both Mr. Cooper and Mr. Jacobs. Mr. Nicola expresses a deep emotional bond with Arrow, emphasizing that his connection to the child carries significant meaning for him, further complicating the intricate paternity dynamics at play. Statements from family members reveal a spectrum of beliefs about paternity, inciting tension and confusion regarding the true identity of Arrow's father, showcasing the challenges of familial ties under scrutiny. Concerns concerning unhealthy relationship dynamics emerge, suggesting potential manipulation and control impacting Mr. Eddy's decisions regarding Arrow's upbringing, a situation that requires careful attention and resolution. The importance of presence during pivotal life events, such as childbirth, is highlighted, as such absences can engender feelings of inadequacy and emotional distress for prospective fathers, thereby influencing their involvement. This discussion further delves into the notion of selecting a father figure based on attributes such as stability and commitment over mere biological connections, prompting significant inquiries about the essence of fatherhood and the nature of familial bonds. The emotional repercussions arising from relationship dynamics and perceived betrayals are examined, illustrating how personal connections can become strained in the context of children and questions of paternity. Expressions of love and regret are poignantly shared between the cousins, underscoring the emotional pain inflicted by the situation. This moment of acknowledgement reveals the depth of their feelings for one another amid the tension. The significance of the DNA test results is accentuated as they confirm Mr. Nicola as the biological father. This revelation elicits a blend of relief and hope, potentially reshaping future family dynamics. Finally, the judge underlines the necessity for respect within familial relationships, encouraging the involved parties to mend their bonds and to provide guidance informed by their shared experiences as they move forward.